part of Xbox layoffs planned to start on July 6th, Microsoft might shut down Arkane Studios and cancel the Blade game it's been working on since 2023. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. It looks like Microsoft is preparing to close or sell off 5 studios next week, including Compulsion Games, Double Fine, Ninja Theory, Undead Labs, and Arkane. There has been an update on Marvel's Blade in more than 2 years, and now it's reported that the game is over budget and facing delays. The entire Xbox division is bracing for layoffs after a memo from the new CEO Asha Sharma and Chief Content Officer Matt Booty that warned, "We found ourselves overextended. Going forward, this cannot continue." Xbox union members have expressed their disappointment and frustration with Microsoft leadership, calling for good faith negotiations and transparency. Arkane Studios is the maker of the Dishonored series and Deathloop, and the team is known for crafting polished first-person experiences in stylish environments. The video game market has lost an estimated 14,600 employees to mass firings in 2024. In January 2024, Microsoft slashed 1,900 jobs across Xbox, Activision, Blizzard, and ZeniMax, kicking off a terrible year for layoffs in gaming. The Xbox division was again rocked by layoffs and studio shutdowns in the summer of 2025, when Microsoft laid off 9,000 employees across the broader company. It appears that the coming 2026 Xbox layoffs have already affected Hitman and 007 First Light developer IO Interactive, which was reportedly working on a fantasy game with Xbox as its publisher. IOI announced that its relationship with an external party recently ended and it had to reduce staffing as a result. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.